how can we render this floor plan into 3 dimensions using SketchUp so that it looks a little something like this? First step is to go to our Gmail account and download this file that I sent you, 2BR, which stands for 2 bedroom apartment floor plan SKP file. When we do that and we open it in Photoshop, we're going to see it looks a little something like this. We need to change the camera angle. To do that, first we need to go to camera, and then we need to go to standard views, and then top. So it's perfect. Next step, what we need to do is make it so we can see right through the shapes that we're creating, and to do that we're going to go to View, Face Style, X-Ray. Next step is to select the rectangle tool and start in the left hand corner and go to the lower right hand corner so we get the outer perimeter of our apartment. Next step is to simply trace the interior of each room in this apartment. Don't worry about the doorways or anything like that, because we're going to be creating them using the push-pull tool in a little while. You'll notice that some of the rooms have closets, and for example this living room dining room has a closet in the lower right hand corner. We created the outer room. Next we need to sort of double over using the rectangle tool and sort of lock it in this lower right hand corner, just like that. We're going to do the same thing. Oops. Press escape to start over if you make a mistake. Similarly, this bathroom is going to be doubled up, so I'm going to go like so. And we're just about done. So now what we need to do is we need to clear up some of these lines because there's some overlap. To do that, we need to use the eraser. Simply click and it deletes. We notice that it's highlighted when it turns blue. And I do believe that's it. Alright, here is where the fun starts. We can orbit out, and we're going to switch from the eraser tool to the push-pull tool. When we do that, we can grab the top and we can raise the walls to our apartment. Next step, we're going to add the doorways. To do that, we're going to see where the doorway originally is. We're going to use the rectangle tool once again. We're going to click and drag, and you're just going to eyeball it so it looks appropriate. Switch to the push-pull, push down, and it's not perfect, but it's more than adequate for this tutorial. Rectangle tool. I see I'm on the edge. And you're going to continue adding doors to our house, including the front door. And when you're done with this, you're going to add windows. Finally, you're going to go to View, Face Style, X-Ray, so you can see what it looks like when the walls are not transparent. Save your name using the 3D text and send this to me as first name, last name, 2 bedroom apartment floor plan as an SKP file.